This is Julie, who has a favorite book, and she hasn't seen this book since this morning. So I'm going to see if she gets extra excited when she sees it. Although now she's extra excited about a doggy. Julie! 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 Look! Julie, look! Is that your book? Is that your book? Yeah? And look! A new page! Yeah! Look at that book! Yeah! And look! Another page! Oh, isn't that cool? And look, the back of the book! No, not excited? How about that side? And that? What about that? Oh, so exciting. And that? Oh.